Do you know many people are having trouble with setting up their new Elica hub for the first time? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Inspect product. Inspect the product after unpacking for any damage or missing parts, ensuring everything needed for installation is present. Step 2. Prepare area. Prepare the installation area by ensuring it is suited for the hob and make necessary cutouts for optimal ventilation. Step 3. Set up power. Disconnect the hob from power and have a qualified technician manage the electrical connection safely. Step 4. Turn on. Turn on the hub by pressing the on-off button briefly, making the display visible and operational. Step 5. Set power. Adjust and set your desired power limitation settings by the selection bar to suit your initial setup needs. By following these steps, your Elica NikolaTesla Fit hub should be ready for use. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Elica users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.